Hello and good day everybody, I'm Ik from the Honda Guys. Last 2 weeks we have seen the newly launched Honda HR-V in its top spec, which is the RS variant. That variant comes with the e:HEV engine with all the bell and whistles. And today, what I have here is the E variant, which is a step above the S variant. And I'm gonna show you what is the difference between the RS and the E variant. Let's roll VT. Hello and good day everybody, I'm Ik from the Honda Guys. I would like to announce to all of you that we just reached 500 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and we will be giving away this Samsung Watch 4 only when we reach 1000 subscribers. To join this giveaway contest, first you need to subscribe to our channel, and second, comment THG giveaway on our upcoming video, and third, share this video to your friends and families. So what are you guys waiting for? Do it now. Okay, first thing first, the engine that is equipped in the E variant is the 1.5 litre Dodge VTEC Turbo, which is the same unit from the Honda Civic but has been tuned down to 178 horsepower, but with the same torque figure at 240 Nm of torque. Up front, the checkered grille are finished in gloss black. The LED front headlamp and the LED front fog light are also in place. The S variant is the only one that doesn't receive the LED fog lamp. On the RS variant, these heartbeat graphics are finished in red, while for the E and V variant are finished in silver. The E variant is also equipped with the 17-inch 6-spoke grey alloy wheels with 215 and 60 tires. The S variant received the similar wheel design but finished with two-tone color. Twin visible tailpipes are also featured here, similar to the V variant, while the non-turbo variant are fixed with single tailpipes. The soft touch dashboard are standard for all variants, together with the 8-inch touchscreen head unit that support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The meter cluster is also similar with the higher variant, which feature the part digital instrument cluster with 7-inch display. The steering wheel also feature the gear shift pedal, together with this drive mode selector where you can select between Econ, Normal or Sport mode. These fabric seats are also featured in the S and V variant, while the RS get the leather seat. In the S and E variant, the seats are manually adjustable, while for the V and RS are equipped with the 8-way powered adjustable driver seat. Now, let's check the rear seat. We all know that the new Honda HR-V comes with the Ultra seat, or as in the Honda website mentioned, the multi-utility seat, which is brilliant as you can adjust the seat according to your needs. Another great feature, as we mentioned earlier, is this rear aircon vent, which is standard across the range. As for the safety, Honda Sensing Safety Suite are equipped as standard across all variants, which is the first for the Honda HR-V in Malaysia, but only the V and RS variant receive the Honda Lane Watch camera. The E variant also receive 6 airbags, similar to the higher variant. And lastly is the price. As we mentioned in our previous video, the price for the S variant start at 115,000 ringgit, while this E variant are priced at 130,000 ringgit. The V variant goes for 135,000 ringgit, while the top of the range RS are priced at 140,000 ringgit. That's it, a quick review and a first look for the Honda HR-V in E variant. What do you guys think? Also remember to join our giveaway contest to win the Samsung Watch 4. To join, you need to subscribe to this channel and comment #THG giveaway. Signing off from this week's episode, I'm Ik, the Honda Guys. We are all about Honda. See you guys next time. Bye bye.